Not only the new Nokia 3210 looks absolutely awesome, it also has got tons of extra cool features that most people don't really even know about. In the box for this phone you do get a Type-C charger, however, did you know it's actually very slow? It's not even 1 amp, it's 0.5 amps, and that's mega slow. So if you actually want to significantly increase your charging speeds, take another Type-C charger which has got good speeds. I have, for example, 3 amp charger, so essentially this will charge the phone much faster, maybe even like 3 times faster. Also, did you know that you can actually use another phone to charge your Nokia 3210? So you can maybe borrow a friend's phone if you're out of juice and need to quickly charge your phone, and use like Type-C to Type-C cable, and you can charge your Nokia 3210, and it charges pretty fast. And with this method it also will charge much faster than from that included charger. And the Nokia 3210, compared to the other older Nokia phones, actually has got tons of customization features now. So for example, we can even change the background here and set it as custom image. So you can even take an image of something, maybe first go to your camera, take a picture of someone or something basically, then you can go to your menu, click on the settings, click personalization, lock screen background, so you can choose from different like backgrounds here, and you can also choose from gallery. So you can, so set your background as a chicken. Also, the camera on this phone also is very cool actually. So when we go in the camera, you can also do a lot of customization here. If you press this button here, and we can adjust various camera settings such as exposure of the images, contrast, brightness, white balance and night mode. So almost like professional camera. You even got timers and even to shoot high quality pictures. You can even use a flash as well to take pictures. However, let's be real, the camera actually on this phone really sucks, and it's essentially like from 1999 when the original Nokia 32 was released. It's that horrible. Another cool feature that the new Nokia has over the older Nokias is we can actually customize the order of these icons, and we can actually move them somewhere where we want. For example, maybe we want to move this app we don't really want somewhere at the bottom, so it doesn't disturb you pretty much every time that you open the menu. First select the app you want to move somewhere, and then click this button basically, and select move, and then simply move it wherever you need. So I'll move it here basically and get rid of it. So this is really useful if you actually want your most used features to move so up basically, and they're easily accessible. And when you launch, they'll be right where you put them, and very nice. Also, you probably have noticed that you actually have quite a lot of games here on this phone. However, the problem is most of them are actually paid games, and you have to like purchase them. That's very weird. But there's actually a very cheeky way how you can actually get unlimited plays on all of these games. So how you can do that is by basically factory resetting your phone if that's suitable for you basically. So once the trial runs out for any game, you can go to your menu, go to the settings basically, click on the system, click on about, and click restore factory settings. So keep in mind this will completely delete everything from your phone and it will be like a brand new phone. But if you are addicted to some of these games and don't want to spend any money, this is a useful way. Probably noticed that you have a flashlight on this phone itself. However, to launch the flashlight is kinda consuming, and you have to go to the settings, and it's a very long process basically. But there's actually a shortcut on this phone. If you actually hold your upper button here, the flashlight will turn on. So you can see the flashlight turns on if you hold this button for like maybe 3 or 4 seconds. So you can also turn it off the same way. Let me show you another very cool feature. So you can actually customize any of these buttons from 1 to 9 to actually call someone directly. So you can essentially simply click and hold something. For example, I have set this number 2 button to call a random number here, and it will start calling that number. So the way we set it up, we have to go to the menu, go to our settings, then click personalization, click keypad, and make sure you enable this speed dial, make sure it's enabled. So then click this edit and basically select the number and enter the number you want to basically call, and okay. And as you see, we can pretty much set this for all 9 numbers. So you can essentially call at contact number 3 extremely fast without really even doing anything. So this is extremely nice. Also, by default, this phone has got extremely loud, like keypad sounds, like beep, 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 beep. So you can see it's extremely loud, and previously in the video I had disabled the sound as it's very, very annoying kind. So actually to change this, we can again go to the settings, and in the settings click on profiles. Then select the profile you currently have and press this button here, upper button. Then click settings. Okay, click adjust volume. Scroll down and you can adjust the key tone here. So you can decrease the volume, or you can even turn it off completely as well if you don't want basically any sounds coming from these buttons. So yeah, I really think they should have turned down the volume a bit by default on this phone. Okay, and the last one. So by default, actually, this phone locks itself, and you have to press unlock, this double combination to actually unlock this phone all the time. And it's quite frustrating. I don't really like it. Because there's actually a way to disable it. Let's go to our settings again. Click on the security. Click on this key guard and automatic key guard. Turn it off. And basically once the screen goes off, it won't lock itself. By the way, also in the same menu we can enable this security code. So for example, if you have some very important stuff on this phone and you're afraid that someone might access it, you can also set a security code. Okay. And when someone actually tries to use your phone, they will be asked for the security code to enter. So these were some of the coolest features I have found on this Nokia 3210. So if this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And also if you want to see more videos about this very cool phone, make sure to subscribe, as I'll be releasing quite a lot of them very, very soon. See you!